uniting through differences, exploring harmony in diversity. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a beautiful and profound concept: harmony in diversity. This phrase holds a powerful message about unity, respect, and understanding across different cultures, beliefs, and backgrounds. Let's embark on this journey together to understand what it truly means and how it applies to our lives. Harmony and diversity refers to the idea that people can coexist peacefully and work together productively despite their differences. This phrase emphasizes that diversity in culture, opinion, and way of life is not just something to be tolerated, but celebrated and embraced as a source of strength and enrichment. Imagine an orchestra. Each instrument plays a different part, but together, they create a beautiful symphony. This is the essence of harmony in diversity. It's about finding common ground and mutual respect, not in spite of our differences, but because of them. In our globalized world, harmony and diversity is more important than ever. It encourages us to look beyond stereotypes and prejudices, to learn from each other, and to grow together. This concept helps build inclusive societies where everyone feels valued and heard. By fostering an environment of harmony and diversity, we can combat discrimination and inequality, creating stronger, more cohesive communities. It's about recognizing that every individual brings something unique to the table, a different perspective, skill, or idea, and that this diversity is a treasure, not a threat. Promoting harmony and diversity involves active participation. It starts with education and awareness, learning about other cultures, religions, and ways of life. It's about engaging in open and respectful dialogue, challenging our own biases, and standing against discrimination. Encourage empathy by putting yourself in others' shoes, understanding their experiences and viewpoints. Celebrate cultural festivals, learn new languages, and explore different cuisines. Each of these actions helps to build bridges between diverse groups, fostering a sense of unity and mutual respect. Harmony and diversity is not just a phrase. It's a call to action for all of us to appreciate and celebrate our differences, recognizing that it is exactly these differences that make our communities vibrant and strong. We hope this video has inspired you to embrace diversity and contribute to a more harmonious world. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Together, let's make the world a better place, one word at a time. See you in the next video.